Good morning, everyone. My name is Pooja Singh. As a mentor of Advanced Academy, I am going to show you a life skill how to fold your clothes. I will tell you how to fold a handkerchief. This is a square shaped handkerchief. This is the front side of the handkerchief. Now I am going to show you the back side of handkerchief. Here it is a square shaped handkerchief. Now I am going to pick up both the corners and put it on the next corners and make it as a rectangular shape. Now I am going to take both the ends and join it to the next two ends. Here again I make a square of this handkerchief. Then again I am going to fold a small rectangular shape you can see over here and fold it half again. This is the way we will keep our handkerchief. Now I am going to show you how to fold your t-shirt. This is a full sleeve t-shirt. First of all, I am going to turn the t-shirt from one side and put the arm like this and put it on the folded side. Now for the next side, I am going to fold again and take the sleeves and keep it overlapped. Now I am going to take half of the t-shirt and fold it again. This is the way we are going to fold our t-shirt. Now this is the turn to fold your trouser. These are the two legs of your trouser. Now I am going to overlap one leg to the other one like this. Then now we need to make three fold over here. So we will take a half of this. Like this I am going to fold it. Then I am going to fold it here overlapped. I keep the trouser overlapped. Now our t-shirt, hanky and trouser is folded properly. Now this is turn to fold a frock. First of all, we have to check whether the zip of the frock is closed or not. I am going to zip up the frock and tie the belt of this frock like this. Now after this, what we have to do, we need to spread full frills properly and fold it once like this, and from that side also we are going to fold. Now again, like t-shirt, we are going to fold it for the frock first from the first side and from the other side also like this. Now overlap the frills properly and keep it with three folds. One fold from here, then I am going to fold it again like this. Here we can fold our frock. Now here you can see a frock can fold like this, t-shirt, hanky and a trouser. I wish this video help you to fold your clothes and help your mother too. Thank you so much.